It's Friday, so you know what that means. It's time for a little bit of sewing chat. I'm Madi with Madi Sews, and welcome back. So you all, I'm really excited to be sitting here talking to you all because I have so much to share. But first, let me just tell you, Friday Sews is where I actually really look forward to telling you about the things that I've been working on, things that have been under my sewing machine, and some of the things that I have coming up. Friday Sews is the brainchild of Jenn over at Today in Jenn's Sewing Room. So if you don't know who she is, I'm gonna make sure that you can find her in the description box below because you guys really do need to check her out. Well, let's just get into some of the things that have been under my sewing machine this past week or so. Okay, for those of you guys who have been following me, you know that I've really been working on making a whole bunch of swimsuits. I'm working on getting the perfect fit for me. And in the process, I'm testing out different fabrics, elastics, techniques, yada yada, to achieve the perfect swimsuit. In between doing all of that, I was actually able to squeeze out a really quick Easter dress. So let me tell you about that first. I made the Allison tent dress that Jasmine designed. She's with So Much Jazz or Desiree. Girl, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that. I'm going to make sure that I also link to her below, but she developed this pattern. And I'll just put a picture over here for you guys to see what that looks like. It's super cute, super fun, super flirty. Everything that I'm loving about this warm weather right now. Because I've already shared a lot of details about this dress, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I link to it up above so that way you can click there if you wanna see more of that. But a couple of highlights. This dress has lots of ruffles. I made it with my Angora fabric that I got from House of Mami Wata, and it has pockets. Need I say more? Okay, so now let's talk about the different swimsuits that I've been making because I feel like that's actually what I've been working on pretty non-stop lately. If you don't know, this whole swimsuit series that we're about to get into starting on Sunday was actually sparked by this swimsuit that I made. I made this reversible swimsuit using a pattern by Sirena Patterns. It's a Sharon swimsuit, which is an 80s inspired swimsuit with a high cut leg line and a medium coverage booty backside. Although I really love the way this swimsuit turned out, I really can't wear it because my Milliskin doesn't have enough vertical stretch in it to stop it from, going places I don't want it to go. But that's okay because I'm not letting that defeat me. That just made me want to hone in on this whole swimsuit thing and figure it all out. So I did pick up a bunch of fabrics from Joann's, and I really ran over to Joann's because I felt like for the majority of people, those are the fabrics that are most accessible. And so I picked up a bunch of polyester spandex mixes, some rayon spandex, a lyocell, which I think is bamboo spandex mix. So I'm testing out a bunch of different fabrics, but I'm also testing out the different types of elastics that you could possibly use to put together swimsuits. So you all, I'm giving you a little sneak peek here because you're gonna see all of these in a whole lot of detail. But I made this snakeskin one using a polyester spandex. This one is not reversible, and this is the Minute Maillot by Pattern for Pirates. Honestly, I felt like this swimsuit came pretty darn close to what I was looking for. So I went ahead and I made a second one, which you're also going to see, which is this really fun red irregular polka dotted one, but this one is reversible. After I couldn't wear this one, I decided that I still needed a reversible one, right? So I went ahead and used red on one side and then black on the other. So I have a reversible swimsuit that I'm so excited to add to my drawers. It's so cute. I also used the Pattern for Pirates Minute Maillot for this one, although I incorporated some changes. Mostly the things that I really liked from the Sharon swimsuit by Sirena Patterns, and just kind of used it to really make this work for me. And in case you want to make your own reversible swimsuit, I think you really need one. I'm going to show you how to make your own reversible swimsuit using the burrito method. I also have a collaboration with Jenn today in Jenn's sewing room, and we're going to be making 2 pieces for ourselves. So I'm not going to go into too many details about that right now, but I will tell you that I had to order underwires, like some special stuff. So this is going to be a really fun make, and I hope it comes out good because I know Jenn's going to bring it, and I need to bring it too. I just do. I did pick up another fabric, not from Joann's. I picked this up from House of Mamiwata when I got my Ankara fabrics, and I'm really loving all of these tropical colors. It's just begging to be a swimsuit, right? Yeah, I think so. With this fabric, I'm actually planning on making another Minute Maillot. However, I'm gonna hack the heck out of that one. And I'm going to try to incorporate a couple of techniques that I've picked up and adapted from a course, a swim course that I actually just recently went through with Sirena Patterns. Look, in the description box, I'm gonna put a link to that course for you. If you are in any way scared or kind of like doubting your sewing skills and your ability to put together a swimsuit, first off, quit doubting yourself. You have the skills to make a swimsuit. But if you do feel like you need a little more assistance, a little more hand holding, this is the course for you. Let me tell you, I went through this course and it went through fabrics, how to determine the best fabrics for you, where to get them, stitches, stitch length, like all of the different materials that you would need. And then she walks you through how to make the different swimsuits, any swimsuit really, the different techniques needed, and then like different little hacks and stuff that you can do. It's a real comprehensive course, and I highly recommend it. The link in the description box to the course below is an affiliate link, which basically means that if you use my link, I get a percentage of the sale, which I use to buy more fabrics, more everything sewing related, but there's no additional cost to you. If you use my link, thank you so much. If it's not your cup of tea though, that's okay. I'm recommending this course because I truly believe that it can take a beginner from purchasing fabric and supplies to getting a beautiful swimsuit at the very end, which really is what matters to me. There you have it. So get ready, you all, because we're going to be making swimsuits, and we're going to rock those swimsuits this summer, right? We're going to rock them whether we're thick, thin, older in our years, or younger. And we're going to just have fun in the bodies that we have, right? I think so. If you like the idea of making your own swimsuit, then make sure that you check out the very first video that I made here, which actually prompted this entire series. And really, until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.